Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Journey, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm so happy you're here today. Are you ready to learn English with me? Today's lesson is all about going to the doctor. We'll learn how to talk about health problems in simple, natural English. This is something we all need to do sometimes, when we feel sick or need a checkup. So, let's begin our English journey together. Part 1. The Story. A Visit to the Doctor. Today, we have two friends, Sarah and Mark. Sarah is not feeling well. Let's listen to their conversation.
Hey Sarah, you look tired. Are you okay?
Not really. I have a headache and a sore throat.
Oh no. Did you take any medicine?
No, not yet. I think I need to see a doctor.
Yes, that's a good idea. Do you want me to go with you?
That would be nice. Thank you, Mark.
Now Sarah at the doctor clinic reception. Receptionist.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to see a doctor, please.
Sure. Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't.
That's okay. Please fill out this form and take a seat.
Thank you.
Doctor.
Hello, Sarah. What seems to be the problem?
Hello, doctor. I have a headache and a sore throat. I also feel very tired.
I see. How long have you felt like this?
For 2 days.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
Okay. Open your mouth, please. Say, ah.
Ah.
Your throat looks a bit red. It's probably a cold or the flu.
Oh, I see.
Don't worry. I'll give you some medicine. Take it twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. And drink lots of water.
Thank you, doctor.
Get plenty of rest, and you'll feel better soon.
I will. Thanks again.
At home, Mark and Sarah conversation after doctor clinic.
So, how did it go?
The doctor said it's just a cold. I have some medicine now.
That's good. Get some rest and feel better soon.
Thanks, Mark. You're a great friend.
Anytime, Sarah.
That was a nice, simple story about going to the doctor. Now, let's learn some useful English words and phrases from this story. Part 2. Vocabulary and Expressions. Let's learn some important words from the story. Repeat after me and remember the examples. 1. Headache. Pain in your head. Example. I have a headache. I need some rest. 2. Sore throat. Pain in your throat, especially when you talk or swallow. Example. I have a sore throat, and it hurts when I drink water. 3. Fever. When your body temperature is higher than normal. Example. I have a fever, and I feel very hot. 4. Appointment. A meeting or time arranged with someone like a doctor. Example. I have a doctor's appointment at 10 a.m. 5. Medicine. Something you take to help you feel better when you are sick. Example. The doctor gave me some medicine. 6. Get rest. Take rest. To relax and sleep so your body can get better. Example. You should get some rest. 7. Take care. A nice way to tell someone to stay healthy and safe. Example. Take care and get well soon. 8. Fill out a form. to write your information on a paper or document. Example: please fill out this form before you see the doctor. 9. Get better soon. Feel better soon. A kind phrase to say to someone who is sick. Example: I hope you feel better soon. 10. Flu. A common illness like a cold, but stronger. Example: I have the flu, so I need to stay in bed. Great job! You learned 10 useful English words today. Now, let's practice some sentences from the story together. Part 3. Repeat after me practice. I'll say a line. Then you repeat after me. Let's practice speaking together. Say it with me. I have a headache. I have a headache. Make sure to repeat after me. I have a sore throat. I have a sore throat. I'd like to see a doctor, please. I'd like to see a doctor, please. Do you have an appointment? Do you have an appointment? I'll give you some medicine. I'll give you some medicine. Take it twice a day. Take it twice a day. Get plenty of rest. Get plenty of rest. You'll feel better soon. You'll feel better soon. Thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor. Take care and feel better soon. Take care and feel better soon. Excellent work. You're doing amazing. Remember, the more you speak out loud, the faster your English will improve. Part 4. Story Recap. Short version. Let's listen to the story again, in a short, simple way. Sarah felt sick. She had a headache and a sore throat. Her friend Mark helped her go to the doctor. The doctor asked some questions and checked her throat. The doctor said it was a cold and gave her some medicine. Sarah went home and took her medicine. She drank water and got rest. Soon she felt much better. Mark was happy, and Sarah thanked him for helping her. See? Talking about health problems in English can be easy. You just need to remember some simple phrases and practice every day. Part 5. Outro/Call to Action. Thank you so much for watching today's lesson on Easy English Journey. You did an amazing job. Now you can talk to a doctor in English, describe your symptoms, and ask for help. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every step counts. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video. Comment below. What do you say when you feel sick? Subscribe to Easy English Journey for more fun lessons every week. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now, and take care of your health.